I heard strange noises from my neighbor's apartment and discovered she had been trapped for days. It started one evening when I got home from work. I heard soft banging and quiet cries through the wall. At first, I thought it was just the TV, but the sounds didn't stop. The next morning, I knocked on their door, but no one answered. The noises were still there, so I called out. A weak voice replied, asking for help. I called the building manager to open the door, and what we found, was shocking. My neighbor had fallen in the bathroom and broken her leg. She couldn't move and had been stuck there for 3 days without food or water. She had been hitting a pipe with her cane to make noise. We called an ambulance right away. As they carried her out, she looked at me and said, "Thank you for not ignoring me." Those words still stay with me.